When you are talking about electrical devices, you are talking about hardware and software. The hardware is the physical thing that you use to interact with that device. In the case of computers, it's not only a computer, are all those peripherals such as printers, cameras, mouse, keyboard, or others that you can plug or connect on your computers. When you are talking about software, you are talking about all those programs or apps you use to search on internet, to send emails, to create documents, or others. The most important software on a computer is the operating system. The operating system is like the brain on our computers. Some common are Linux, Android, iOS, and Windows. In all these classes, we are going to use Windows because it's the one which is installed on your computers. Windows has different versions. That's why if you want to use one of these videos to work on your houses, it's important you to remember that the different versions such as Windows 8, Windows 7, Vista, XP, and others are similar to Windows 10 but are not totally equal. When you turn on your computers here, you are going to see the desktop. That is the most important part on our computers because on there we are going to see first some icons which are going to help us to open programs or files or something that we need and we want to find easily on our computers. The other part is the task bar. The task bar is the one that we find down here and is divided normally on three parts. One is where we find the Windows icon and Cortana. If we need to find something on our computers, we are going to use one of these parts to find that thing. Yeah, we can search anything on our computers. The other part is on the middle where we find some icons that we use frequently, such as all those access to open the browsers and other things that you want to pin over there. Normally, by default, you are going to find this folder that is the file manager, and we use to find all the information that we have on our computers. Yeah, so remember, in here we find information, and the last part that we have on our main screen on Windows is all this part. In here we can set a different configuration. It's not necessary for us to use, but it's important to remember that in here you are going to see if you are connected to internet, if you cannot listen this video, the reason you can find here, or if you are using your keyboard but the keys don't work in the way you want, it's probably because the language is set into a different one.